The Belle Pumping Station was the target of a major upgrade on Monday. The station was shut down from 2 in the afternoon, and that shutdown ran up until, or was supposed to run up until 8 p.m. as BWA crews installed new variable frequency drives to improve the operations and efficiency here at this plant. Now, this station is critical for the supply of water to thousands of homes and businesses in large parts of St. Michael and in Christchurch. More importantly, it's a facility that meets the demand for essential services like the Queen Elizabeth Hospital. That's why BWA teams had to move fast while ensuring they got the job done right. Nathan Hart, the lead engineer on this project, speaks about that process.
The Belle, as you know, is one of our critical stations, if not the largest station it is, and it really serves the demand for the commercial area. So what we have, we need to augment the station in order to facilitate change out for the VFDs. But we have some archaic equipment that is very problematic. So in order to start the change out of the implementation of the VFDs that you will see later on, we need to put in a new braking system, which is electrical braking system within the facility. But before we can do that, we need Barbados Light and Power to actually isolate the station so that the guys can work safely.
But what does all of this mean for you, the customer? Well, Mr. Hart says it means a more consistent and better supply.
With more efficient equipment, we can deliver water on a consistent basis, and also it means sustainability, energy sustainability. This is all in an effort. This station, as you see right here, uses about $250,000 in electricity per month. Is one of our biggest users in terms of electricity. The facilitation of the breaker and by reference the VFDs are all in an effort, one, to control water outages, wastage in terms of both burst mains, right? Because what has happened is that the VFDs, as I mentioned in previous programs, have the ability via logic units and pressure sensors that if there is a burst, it can actually shut down the pumps in an effort to minimize wastage and mitigate all of the problems that we have. Also, the VFDs will ensure that the Barbados Water Authority deliver water in a consistent and a sustainable way to its public, and especially the commercial sector. The Belle is one of the most important sectors. We know that. We know the public is a little concerned when it is that we have problems at the Belle, but all of this is an effort for us in order to improve our delivery of water to the public.
Now, this was one in what will be a series of shutdowns in the coming months. Mr. Hart says this approach is necessary to improve the infrastructure at several pumping stations while at the same time avoiding any prolonged outages.
From here, we're going to have a shutdown on Wednesday, and on Wednesday we're going to be moving the booster panel forward. This is the pumps that boost water to the environs, and then we're going to have another minimal shutdown. But we have discussed with the Director of Engineering, Charles, who has a lot of experience, Hector Marshall, Wayne Richards. These are senior members on the team, young engineers, but senior. They have a lot of experience. And we are also putting in mitigations to minimize water outages. So you might have a drop in pressure, but not necessarily a loss of water.
The BWA did put out notices about the shutdowns on Monday and the one today, and will continue to inform the public as it moves ahead with these upgrades. Continue to watch Water Wednesdays on CBC TV8 and listen to our CBC stations for updates about planned shutdowns. If you missed some of this program, you can view it again on the BWA's website. That's www.barbadoswaterauthority.com. Or you can go to YouTube and type in Water Wednesdays.